Hello students, this is the fifth and last part of our second semester second poetry, O Captain, My Captain, which is written by Walt Whitman. So open your books, page number 77. On this page number, fifth stanza, first line of that fifth stanza. Now listen carefully. O Captain, my captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. Pale, it means lacking vitality. So what is the meaning of vitality? Vitality, it means essential power of life. My captain does not answer. So the sailor, the poet is telling that my captain is not giving any kind of answer of my any question. His lips are looking pale. Pale, it means there is not any kind of life or essential power. I can see any kind of movement on his lips, and therefore those lips are looking colorless and still. It means those lips are not moving. My father does not feel my arm. So I am having my arm under the head of my father, of my captain, but my captain, my father is not feeling my hand, my arm. He has no pulse or will. Pulse, it means the throbbing of arteries. So what is the meaning of throbbing? Beat or sound of regular rhythm. And what is the meaning of arteries? Arteries, it means blood vessels carrying blood from the heart he has no pulse or will. So when the poet check pulse or heartbeat on the vessel of his captain, so he cannot feel any kind of pulse or any kind of rhythm or movement in that pulse. It means the blood is not moving there, and therefore the captain is not having any kind of will to wake up. It means he is dead there. The ship is anchored safe and sound. Anchored, it means give protection. Safe and sound. It's a voyage. Voyage, it means journey by sea. Voyage closed and done. So the ship is anchored ship, safe and sound. Ship, it means the nation America. So America is now safe because of the lot of hard work of that Abraham Lincoln, 16th president of America, which was assassinated, murdered by a surprise attack. So therefore this voyage, this journey stopped here. From fearful trip, the victory ship comes in with object on. Object, it means goal or purpose. from this fearful, very dangerous trip, our ship our nation and came with a purpose here and with stand here as a new purpose, our nation. Last stanza. Exult, O shores. Exult, it means express great joy. Exult to shore and ring a bell. Now the poet is telling to the shore that be happy, express your joy, and the poet again tell to the bell that ring yourself loudly, but I with a mournful treat. Mournful, it means expressing sorrow, and treat, it means manner of walking. Walk the deck, my captain lies fallen cold and dead. So here in the last stanza, the poet says, but I with mournful tread. My captain is dead and I am walking there with the manner, with lot of sorrow I am having. Walk the deck, on my captain lies, my captain is lying there, dead there, his body is flat there on that deck, and I am walking there with a lot of sadness, sorrow in my heart. And therefore my captain cannot wake up now. He did his duty and make a reunion of our nation, United States of America. So in this way, this poem and this last part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.